This is Ken Pyle, and there's nothing worse than having a blind spot. Well, we're at Rydeen Mobile, and you've eliminated the blind spot. Tell us what we're looking at.
Well, what we're looking at here, Ken, is our RDV 360 parking system. Essentially what it is, it's a 4-camera system that gives you the effect of having a camera pretty much floating above your car. With this system, you can pretty much block out the windows in the car, not see out, and perfectly parallel park.
The cool thing about this is it allows a car that maybe is a little bit older to really get some of the features that a new car has.
Yeah, that's true. You know, you're seeing it on a lot of the new advertisement from BMW, Infiniti. We're the first to bring it to the aftermarket and allow you to use that new cool technology on just about any vehicle on the road.
We should take a look at some of these features.
Yeah, let's take a look at it. So the way the RDV3 system works is you need either an aftermarket in-dash in your car, or if you have an OEM navigation screen, an adapter that's going to allow you to bring a video input in. So when the car is put in reverse, it's going to pop up on your screen and it's going to show you the bird's eye view we talked about. So this is all 4 cameras auto stitched together into a harmonious picture that gives you the effect that you have a camera floating above your vehicle. And then since we're in reverse, it's also going to have our backup camera image on the left side of the screen. When the car is taken out of reverse, it's going to switch to the front camera, and it's going to stay on for about 9 seconds. Now you can also trigger the image to stay on your screen by pressing the flasher button twice, or with our included remote control, you can turn it on and keep it on while you're driving. And some other cool features, say we turn on our right turn signal, we're now going to see the right camera image on the left side of the screen as well as our bird's eye view. If we turn on the left turn signal, we now have a view of the left side of our vehicle. And if you're towing something, you can even with the remote press the down button and look behind the car to make sure what you're towing is still there.
Nice. And that leads to kind of the next question, the idea of what about using this for fleet install? It seems like any big vehicle could really take advantage of this, and you have a new wireless camera you're talking about.
Yeah, we do have a new wireless system coming out, which is going to be great for trailers. You know, in the past with the backup camera, you need a video RCA cable. If you're doing a trailer or a large vehicle, normally you have to do extensions. If it's a trailer, you need to make quick disconnect plugs. It's a nightmare for installers. So our DG240, which is a digital FM wireless broadcast, is going to really make doing a backup camera on a vehicle that an installer couldn't do or didn't want to do a heck of a lot easier.
And that could be adapted with this system?
It could be adapted. The way our DG240 works, because of it them being paired and having their own frequencies, you can have up to 5 of them on one vehicle. So you could put one on each of the 4 cameras for the RDV360 and have them wirelessly broadcast to the brain of the system.
And I would imagine, especially from a corporate standpoint, there could be some benefits down the road from an insurance standpoint and just peace of mind knowing that you're a little safer.
Yeah, definitely. And that's what I like about this for fleet vehicles, is these big vans with partitions and toolboxes, it's really hard to see. So by having the RDV360, the drivers can safely see what's around their vehicle, avoid backing into any objects, so keep insurance costs down, maintenance costs down. But also being that the RDV360 has a built-in DVR, the company can have a peace of mind knowing they can keep track of their drivers, where they're going, and if something did happen, they have video to show what caused it.
And it seems like this is just the start of something that's going to grow and really create connected cars where there weren't necessarily before.
Yeah, you know, it really is. And, you know, the OEM side of things, they've done a great job of marketing the new technology in cars. And we're stepping up and bringing it to the aftermarket. So if your car doesn't have that kind of technology, we can put it in there for you.
And will it break the bank?
You know, it won't. The RDV360 systems run $799 plus install. So, you know, if you're not buying a $80,000 car, you can still get that cool technology in whatever ride you're in right now.
Excellent. Well, Rob, thank you.
All right, thank you.